in today's class. In the last class, we have read the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. I will discuss the main points of this poem for you again. In this poem, the writer is riding in the woods and stopped to see the snow on trees. But suddenly he came to know that he has to go forward. This poem expresses that one must concentrate on fulfilling his promises and accomplishing his duties without being distracted by pleasures of life. In today's class, we are going to write question answers of this poem. First, prepare the page, write date and the name of the poem. Come on, question number 1. To whom did the woods belong? It means who is the owner of the woods? Who will tell me the answer? Yes, who is the owner of the woods? Woods mean forest. It means forest. The woods belong to a man who lives in the village. Who is the owner of the forest or woods? A person who lives in the village is the owner of the woods. The woods belong to a man who lives in the village. Question number 2. Why do you think the rider stopped by the woods? What's the reason the rider stopped? Yes, can anyone tell me? Okay. The rider stopped by the woods to watch them fill up with snow. As you know that in the poem winter season is described, so the rider stopped in the woods to watch the woods fill up with snow. The rider stopped by the woods to watch them fill up with snow. Woods means forest. Question number 3. Why was the horse puzzled? Puzzled means confused. Puzzled means confused. What was the reason the horse was puzzled or confused? The horse was puzzled because they had stopped in the woods. Now they is referring both to the rider and the horse. Without a farmhouse near, on the darkest evening of the year. It was the darkest evening as the winter season is going on. So the horse was puzzled or confused because the horse and the rider stopped in the woods without a farmhouse. There was no farmhouse near. Okay, there was no farmhouse near on the darkest evening of the year. Again I am repeating, reading this answer. The horse was puzzled because they had stopped in the woods without a farmhouse near on the darkest evening of the year. Now on question number 4. What mood atmosphere does this poem create? Okay student, what you have learned from this poem? In which mood the poem is written or what mood it's create? You know that rider stopped in the woods to see the woods filled with snow. But suddenly he came to know that he has some responsibilities that he has to do. That's why he couldn't enjoy the beauty of the nature in the forest. Now come on the answer. This poem creates mysterious. The pronunciation of this word is mysterious. What is this word? Mysterious. It means full of secrets. Mysterious means full of secrets. And thoughtful mood. This poem creates mysterious and thoughtful mood. How? Thoughtful mood? The poet thought that if he stopped in the woods for a long time, he will be unable to fulfill his promises. That's why he decided to move on. So this poem creates mysterious and thoughtful mood.